Well, I wanted to show you what I've been working on my beading mat at the moment. They're cute little Christmas tree decorations. Hopefully I don't have to let you know that they're meant to be Christmas gnomes. They've got little hanging loops, so they will suspend beautifully from your tree or anywhere else you like to hang decorations. Just left some beading stuff behind so you can get a sense. If I just bring in a 10-gram tube of Delicas here, you can sort of get a sort of sense of size and proportion. And if you know my work, then you will know that I'm famous for making beaded boxes. And I have to say that these are no exception. So let me just show you. Their little heads will lift off, giving you storage space inside. Admittedly not a huge amount of storage, but I've got a few jelly beans here. You could certainly fill them up with those. Or maybe even add in a note, or perhaps some money, something like that. I don't know. I'm sure you can think of plenty of ideas. Anyway, once you've added the goodies, just slip the head back down. Make sure the beard doesn't get caught up. Adjust everything, and then your little gnome full of gifts is ready to hang up on your Christmas tree and enjoy. And of course, there is a huge amount of scope for different colouring with these. So they're made largely with Superduos, which has got a few seed beads in there as well. If I just bring a few around, turn them around a little bit, you can see you can keep things plain. You can add basic patterning on the hat or on the body or on both. I've even got one that's got a little Father Christmas style theme going on here. And one that actually has reminded me a little bit of a Christmas tree. Plenty of green and a few silver highlights. So they're really nice and quick to make. Great for using up beads that you've probably already got in your stash, and they're super cute gifts to give to anyone special, or even just enjoy yourself, obviously.